Hey guys, welcome back to RentSyst channel. This is a recent update about booking integration page for website connection. So you can link it for the WordPress or any other CMS like Wix, Webflow, GoDaddy, and many more. So based on iframe, you can also build such a new feature. So what's this video about? So basically, we received a lot of requests from you guys regarding some updates for first step about searching for locations and the dates. So this is a default view, which is you can see location input direction by the row and the column. So it means when the row comes, it will be looks like this one. When the columns, it will be looks like this one. So it like either free lines for pickup location, for return location, and also the third line for the dates, right? So basically it goes like a vertical bar for the search. Well, this video about the second option, which just means that the horizontal way of the booking itself for the search also will be possible to make up. So we add here one simple bottom, which just means a row like this one, but it's absolutely change your way how it will be looks like your searching field. So it's quite easy to update it. You can also make a wide form here, make it wider. Also make a width for steps if needed. And there is also like a way of the automation of make much more simple at much more smaller size on your booking page itself. So let's check it how it will be looks like on the your website. So we will change it to the let's save it again. All right, and let's move on for the test WordPress account. So this is the WordPress, and you can see such a form right now located fully in horizontal way. So even if I changing for a return location, it's give me a fully horizontal way, and it's much more optimize your sizes on the website, and basically looks also very cool and organic. So you can also check it out. So when we search it, the next we're going for the booking step for the cars with the vehicles and so on. So this is how it works about the changes for the horizontal search bar for the first step with the locations and dates. If you like it, you can try already to change it inside your booking engine, and hope you like this video. See you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Thank you.